Introducing the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch, a tablet that can potentially be a good replacement to your bulky laptop, and here are the top 5 features it has to offer. When we say that the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is thin and light, we really mean it. Weighing just 508 grams and measuring 5.5mm thick, carrying the tablet around is easy. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch you're seeing here also comes with what Huawei calls the golden silk aesthetics design, where the texture of its rear cover is crafted to mimic the organic feel of silk fabric, which is typically achieved through silk weaving craftsmanship and multiple optical layers. To make the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch an even better productivity machine, you can pair it with the brand new Huawei Glide keyboard, powered by Neuralink technology. Not only is the keyboard compact and light, but it also comes with a touchpad with several useful gestures to help you navigate through the tablet's OS a little faster. The Huawei Glide keyboard can also be placed in 4 positions. Laptop form is most suitable for productivity work and watching your favorite movies or TV shows. Meanwhile, studio form is the ideal position for creating artwork. Speaking of documents, dealing with document files, spreadsheet and slides is not an issue at all with the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch thanks to the PC-level WPS Office app it comes with. Not only that, but the software is also pre-installed with the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch. It features an interface that has been customized to look like the one you are already familiar with on your laptop. Aside from the productivity features, you can also express your artistic creativity with the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch. This is thanks to the Go Paint app, a professional-grade tool that allows you to create digital art illustrations and graphic designs. Included free of charge with the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch, the Go Paint app has been further improved and comes with an abundance of easy-to-use features such as over 150 types of brushes including fluid brush, splatter brush and dual effect brush, and canvases such as gold silk, silver silk, fine cotton and bold cotton to make your digital artwork more realistic. Huawei has also included a Go Paint app exclusive Btic Brush feature. Exclusively developed for Malaysian users, the developers have done much research locally, collected batik materials, had numerous discussions with local batik artisans, and even explored different batik techniques to digitalize batik. Also, you can pair the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch with Huawei's 3rd generation M Pencil powered by Neuralink technology to level up your artwork creation like a pro. Once done, you can store it in a dedicated compartment in the Huawei Glide keyboard where it securely attaches magnetically to charge. Like to enjoy your favorite entertainment on the go? The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is a great choice as it comes with the world's first 144Hz 12.2-inch 2.8K tandem OLED paper matte display. Thanks to the tandem OLED paper matte display technology, this screen is plenty bright with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch also sports an anti-reflection paper matte display, giving users a paper-like writing experience and at the same time providing better eye protection too. If you like what you see, you can head over to Huawei Malaysia's website to put down a deposit for the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch and get gifts worth up to 1,847 ringgit.